Welcome to another unboxing video. Today I am going to unbox a power bank. So this I bought from Amazon. The brand name is Urbn, URBN Urbn. So it's a 10,000 mAh ultra compact power bank. So let's open the box. So it's very neat packing. If you can see this, it's very secure. It won't open that easily. I'm going to pull this out. Okay, you have it's a warranty card, right? Yeah, it's a 6 months replacement warranty card. Have the branding there, and this is an instruction manual where you can see all the information, how to use it and stuff. Now let's get the product. So this is the power bank. This is very compact. It will fit in your hand. It's too easy to carry. There is a USB charger. So it's a type C mobile port. I think you can use the same power bank for other. There is 2 ports for charging and 2 ports for USB. So you can use it like that. So this is Urbn 10,000 mAh ultra compact power bank. Pretty handy, pretty useful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.